Hi, I'm Dr. Trishala Singh, Senior Physical Therapist at Care Hospitals, Banjara Hills. I'm here to put up a word on marathon, basically a beginner's guide to marathon. Now, running a marathon can take a toll on a person's overall health, not just the musculoskeletal system, the cardiovascular system, the nervous system, and also the digestive system gets affected. So here in this video, I'll teach you some tips and tricks required to start a marathon running program. Now, as a beginner, you have to make sure that you follow some points. You have to make a commitment why you are doing it and how you are going to do it. Second thing, you have to make sure that you start slow and easy. Running too fast can give you something called as a stitch, meaning an abdominal cramp, wherein then you will not be allowed to go further. You have to invest in proper clothing and proper running shoes because you have to avoid injuries in ankle, knee, hip and back. You have to log all of your runs, no matter how small or how bad the runs might be. You have to mix up your surfaces while you are running so that you are ready for anything and everything kind of a surface. And also you have to make sure that you have to run for distance, not the timing. Timing doesn't matter when it comes to running a marathon if you are trying to prepare for it. Now, having said that, there are 5 building blocks of a marathon training. First one being a base mileage. You have to set a sustainable pace wherein you are comfortably talking in that while running for at least 3 to 5 times a week. So you have to set a sustainable pace for you, a comfortable pace, meaning you are allowing your body to adapt for at least that much of a run. Now every week you can increase it up to a 10% hike. Second important block being your long run. You have to invest at least a 7 to 10 in every 7 to 10 days. You have to make sure that you run at least one long run so that your body can adjust and get accustomed to it and your body and mind gets built up in that way. Third one being speed work. You have to have some interval and tempo runs in between, which will increase your cardiovascular fitness. Interval runs meaning you run for shorter distance but at a faster pace and then you have a recovery jog in between. Whereas tempo runs are challenging runs at a faster pace so that your body and mind is taught that you are supposed to do it this long and this way. Fourth one being rest and recovery. You have to understand, you have to listen to your body and give yourself rest so that your muscles recover and then you are ready for another thing as well. Yes, there might be something that you are into a thing that yes, I have to exercise, I have to do something. That time you can do some cross training, you can do some cycling, you can do some swimming, etc. And the last but most important part is hydration and fuel. You have to understand that your body needs hydration, your body needs fuel. Unless and until you are trying to rehydrate yourself after each run, you will eventually end up either having injuries or some bloating or some health issues. Thank you.